do your little trick. Baby.
It's trapped inside your body cavity. Oh, wow, that was a good one. Oh.
There it is.
We did it.
Maybe we'll try something else.